Suasana berbeda terasa di 55 Parkdale Avenue, Ottawa, ibu kota Kanada, di mana Kedutaan Besar Republik Indonesia KBRI berlokasi. Minggu pagi 17 Agustus 2025 terdengar riuh rendah, gelak tawa, alunan musik, serta kehangatan silaturahmi warga memperingati hari ulang tahun ke-80 kemerdekaan Republik Indonesia. Sekitar 370 orang masyarakat diaspora Indonesia dari Ottawa, Montreal, dan kota sekitarnya hadir dengan balutan busana nasional dan wastra Nusantara yang menambah meriah. Suasana upacara bendera peringatan detik-detik proklamasi kemerdekaan Republik Indonesia menjadi lebih hangat dan hikmat ketika Duta Besar Republik Indonesia untuk Kanada, Mushin Shihab, memasuki lapangan upacara sebagai inspektur upacara. Diaspora Indonesia mengapresiasi dan terharu dengan rangkaian HUT Republik Indonesia ke-80 yang digelar di KBRI Ottawa ini.
Bagi saya yang sudah lama tidak mengikuti itu, terharu sekali saya pada saya. Apalagi melihat banyaknya orang Indonesia yang ada di sini mengikuti perayaan seperti ini. Bagi saya itu menyentuh hati sekali.
Dan ini pertama kali saya merayakan 17-an di Ottawa. Satu hal yang luar biasa, rasa persaudaraan, rasa persatuan yang begitu kuat. Dan apalagi dari pidatonya Pak Dubes yang betul-betul mengena sesuai dengan tujuan dan cita-cita seluruh bangsa dan cita-cita Bapak Presiden Republik Indonesia merdeka.
Selepas pengibaran bendera, Dubes Mushin menyerahkan penghargaan khusus kepada dua kelompok gamelan Bali ternama di Kanada, yaitu Giri Kedaton dan Semara Winangun yang bermarkas di KBRI Ottawa. Hal yang unik dari kedua kelompok gamelan yang telah berdiri puluhan tahun tersebut adalah baik pimpinan maupun anggota semuanya merupakan warga negara Kanada. Giri Kedaton sendiri sudah masuk ke kurikulum Fakultas Musik Universitas Montreal. Hal ini menunjukkan bahwa kekayaan kebudayaan Nusantara memiliki daya tarik yang melintasi batas wilayah. Pierre Perbles, pimpinan Giri Kedaton, menyampaikan bahwa sebagian besar dari anggota Giri Kedaton belum pernah memiliki pengalaman langsung melihat instrumen gamelan sebelumnya.
So our group, Giri Kedaton, has been active in Montreal for many years now. Originally, the gamelan started here in Montreal in the late 1980s. The instruments that are behind me were a gift from the Indonesian government in 1987. They were brought to Canada for the Universal Exposition in Vancouver and arrived in Montreal in 1998. And at that point, the university started teaching gamelan, and that's roughly how our group began. At first, it was very informal, just students who enjoyed it enough to keep playing after the class and perform because it was a new thing in Montreal. It was very popular. There was a lot of demand for interviews, for various news programs. The name Giri Kedaton was first used in 1990. There was a Balinese teacher here in Montreal, Wayan Suecha from Denpasar, who was teaching that year here, and the Faculty of Music here is in a very particular place in Montreal. It sits atop the Mount Royal, and it's a very striking view when you're at the bottom of the hill and you look up and you see the faculty is kind of perched on the hillside of the mountain. And the teacher basically proposed the name Giri Kedaton because in Balinese, Giri Kedaton means Mount Royal. And so it became a synonym for our group. Around 1994, that stopped, and the group had to exist on its own for a very long time. In the early 2000s, we managed to bring back a Balinese for the first time, Dewa Suparta. And when I took over the group in 2015, Dewa had to step away, and I worked very hard to try and bring another Balinese to Montreal, Arya. Putu Arya Suryanegara, and he has been with us actually for now 5 years actually, directing with me. most of the time, the people that come to see us have never heard gamelan in their life. Some of them have. Some of them come because they went to Indonesia, they went to Bali, and they're curious to see it again. But the majority of our audience has never been exposed to this type of music. And they often come out of the concert with a lot of appreciation for that discovery. And many of them end up coming back concert after concert or year after year. We've grown quite a following over the many years that we've been playing now. And it's always nice to see the audience discover gamelan for the first time. I noticed a lot of interest in the fact that foreigners were playing Balinese music. It draws a lot of attention, and there seems to be a lot of pride around seeing us perform. I think it's something that I hope one day that the rest of my group can experience. I would hope to bring Giri Kedaton to Indonesia to be able to show you our group in person and share our love of the Indonesian culture with the Indonesian people.
Sementara itu, Semarang-Winangun yang melakukan latihan rutin sekali setiap pekan di gedung KBRI Ottawa sering berpartisipasi dalam berbagai kegiatan promosi kebudayaan KBRI Ottawa. Lori Sinder, perwakilan Semarang-Winangun yang menerima penghargaan, mengucapkan apresiasi kepada KBRI.
Thank you to the Embassy for hosting instruments all these years and giving us a place to learn and play and share this Balinese music. It's wonderful. We all love it. We've been playing for quite a long time now. It's exciting to learn. It's different. And again, thank you so much to the Embassy for hosting our instruments and letting us play.
Seluruh kegiatan terselenggara berkat kolaborasi erat antara KBRI Ottawa dan kelompok masyarakat diaspora Indonesia di Ottawa, Montreal, dan sekitarnya.